This light is about 30, possibly 40 years old. It's an ever-ready light, and it's got all the stuff in there. It works okay, except it has corroded slightly. I'm going to show you inside, so you can, if you do have one, you can at least repair your one with the information that you get here. I will be putting all the details further in the description. The important parts here is how the bulb is being held in place. Now I haven't removed it because the plastic might actually be in a rather poor state and it might actually break. That's the on-off switch, and that's it. That also locks it in place. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.